Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Shri Nikun Bihari Dalji, Mission Leader and Additional Secretary Dr. Satyaprakash Ji, my fellow delegates of the conference, CPMU and Ministry team. First of all, sir, congratulations to the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs for the third national conference. This may be the historical event that mission leader and almost entire team is remain the same since the conceptualization to implementation, and maybe this may be never 2.0 as AI and ML is included. I am also fortunate, sir, that I am associate with this project team since the conceptualization, first for eVidhan and then to NEVA. These are our highlights. The Gujarat inaugurate the digital house by Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, on 13 September 2023. It's been 2 years, sir. The system has been operating in a complete paperless mode since day one. जो ऑब्जेक्टिव था नेवा का वो हमने पहले दिन से ही इम्प्लीमेंट किया है विथ पॉलिटिकल विल ऑल्सो. Five sessions spanning 65 days has been successfully conducted using NEVA. LAQs, LOBs has been processed exclusively through NEVA. 1700 documents have been uploaded on the NEVA public portal, which is the document which is laid on the table is already uploaded. Honorable Finance Minister delivered 2 budget speeches entirely from the digital device. तो हमने live budget भी किया है, 2 बार किया. These are the salient features. NEVA Seva Kendra developed as a mini replica of the house. So many states has visited, sir, in Gujarat.
ये actually बहुत अच्छा है, NEVA Seva बहुत अच्छा है.
Yes, sir. Introduced state-of-the-art, fully customized table stand. Many states has visited to see that tablet as well as tablet stand. First of its kind in India, sir. It's customized. Develop stakeholder-specific short videos and reels to demonstrate support of NEVA operations effectively. Prepare stakeholder-wise regional training material because we working in Gujarati, so we develop our own material instead of generic and module-based material. For the last 5 sessions, all assembly proceedings have been conducted 100% paperless, even without amendment to existing rules. हमने कोई रूल अमेंड नहीं किया है, सर, उन पे फोर्स नहीं किया है, फिर भी मेंबर्स पेपर नहीं मांगते. सेविंग्स 28 approximate tons of papers annually. Over 3,200 documents were uploaded on e-book module. E-balloting of all LAQs, e-laying of all reports through NEVA. These are our visitor as on 23 October. जो हमने PPT भेजा उस दिन जो विजिटर थे almost 7 lakh, highest in NEVA.
ये जो है ना, ये भी बहुत अच्छी बात है कि इतने लोग विजिट करके इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्सेस कर रहे हैं.
सर, हमने अपना वेबसाइट डाउन कर दिया है. वी हैव ट्रस्ट ऑन NEVA. सो हमने जो हमारा वेबसाइट था वो डाउन कर दिया है. वो अगर कोई हमारी वेबसाइट पे विजिट करता है तो वो रीडायरेक्ट होता है NEVA पे.
ये बहुत